Welcome to week 3 of Life on the Road. I'm Rach and this is Dylan. This week we find our favourite place yet and experience a pretty memorable moment. This is Em and Jules. Good morning. It is pretty cold this morning. Last night our roof leaked from our roof fan. We tried to patch it up with a lot of duct tape and then we put a tarp over the roof. Today hopefully we can get to a hardware store and fix that up. And today's the day that we leave Kalbarri. We're going to start heading further north. We're probably going to stay at a rest stop tonight, but the next kind of major stop, I'm pretty sure, is going to be like Shark Bay and Monkey Mia. Hopefully things warm up. Apparently there's just like a cold snap over all of WA right now. Even Exmouth, that's usually nice and warm, is only 20 degrees today. So hopefully things start to warm up because we were wanting to be chasing the warm weather, but we shall see. So we're just at a free roadside rest stop today. The sun is setting. This is Em and Jules. We've made friends with them and we're essentially following them on the road. The girls have continued on to their next stop. We're probably going to see them in a few days anyway, but we're staying in Monkey Mia another night. So what we are doing right now, we've just sunscreened up and we're gonna kayak up towards the north to go to the national park. We'll be able to just see kind of like the red cliffs of the, I think it's called Francois Perrin National Park. Because usually that's an area that you can only go into with a four-wheel drive. So hopefully we'll get to get a taste of it while we're going out in the kayak. Paddle going, Dylan?
Not 90% of it.
No, you have not. So we are back from the kayaking experience and it was really fun. I think tonight we're thinking of splurging a little bit and getting ourselves a pizza from the Monkey Bar, which is here, because why not? We're pretty much having a tropical getaway in Monkey Mia, so we're spending the money, might as well keep spending it. I'm really glad that we ended up coming into Monkey Mia when we didn't think that we would, or we thought that we might just go in for or come in for just the day, and in the end we kind of were just like, you know what, let's just do it, let's stay a couple of nights. And I guess it's just like that balance between what you want to spend money on and what you want to save on. And I think we'll just find a few free camps for the next few nights before heading up towards Red Bluff.
When they tell you, get your head down, I will tell you, keep your head.
So we've just stocked up on snacks and we are leaving Shark Bay.
Just the essentials though.
We are now at Shell Beach. Kinda hurts. Dylan's got this great idea for a shot. For me to pour shells on his face. Like it's like raining shells or something.
Put your coat on, steal your kisses, and I will hold you closer. I will hold you close. When you come undone.
Although it's too dark to see in this clip, we met up with Em and Jules and stayed at Wooramore River Retreat to enjoy the beautiful artesian baths and live music. We've just made it to Carnarvon and we've done a big grocery shop and we are now waiting to fill up water, but there is the longest queue to fill up water.
Very nice.
A nice long queue and apparently a beautifully slow tap. We've swapped spots. Dylan's in the driver's seats to pull forward whenever we move and I'm in the back and I'm going to make us lunch while we wait in this queue. Perfect thing about having your home on wheels. Lunch is served.
Thank you.
His soul's just like a stone, vulnerable at night. She's always been on her own, doesn't need a man to fight. There goes my lady with her plans. We break all the rules when we can. I'm part-time singing in a band. Ooh, she's washing dishes right now. Soon we'll be in Neverland. Yeah, she shines all the time like a star on the mic. Don't think that anybody in this town can bring her down, yeah. She calls me baby, ain't that shit crazy? And I feel like I'm on cloud nine. Don't think that anybody in this town.
We're heading towards Red Bluff and we've just gotten onto the dirt road, so fingers crossed it's not too bad.
Let it go, you're my favorite antidote. Hate it when you're all alone. No more 9 to 5s, we'll never die. Cause soon we'll be in Neverland. Yeah, she shines all the time like a star on the mic. Don't think that anybody in this town.
We initially hadn't planned on coming to Red Bluff due to the potentially unforgiving road conditions. However, meeting Em and Jules and hearing of their plans to go convinced us otherwise, and we are so glad we went.
Don't think that anybody in this town can bring me down, yeah.
Swimming with a manta ray has been a dream of mine for a number of years now, so to essentially stumble onto them at Red Bluff was that dream coming true. This made those 60 kilometres of rough roads to get out here so worth it.
This fall is a little more than I expected. In so deep I can barely see myself.
The air around me feels so heavy but depleted. But I find this the place to test myself. 'Cause it's here where I lay in my blanket of despair, where I'm weak but I'm strong and black smoke fills the air. Where I'm burned and broken, battered, bruised, I'm blind, but I'm seeing. I'm lost and found and almost drowned. I'm so far from believing. Whoa, I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing. Whoa, in darkness I find meaning. Whoa, I'm broken, but I'm healing. Whoa, I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing. Are my lungs enough for the smoke and dust, or will I lose control? I'll breathe it in, let the darkness wind put pressure on my soul. I hear the sound, no longer bound to the man I was before. For my broken mind, this is the time to build to something more. Here, where I lay in my blanket of despair. Whoa, I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing. Whoa, in darkness I find meaning. Whoa, I'm broken, but I'm healing. Whoa, I'm bleeding, but I'm breathing.
From the most beautiful sunrises to mesmerising sunsets, pizza night and live music, strangers giving us fresh fish and teaching us how to fillet it, these few days we spent at Red Bluff were absolute bliss. But like many places, the weather often dictates how long we stay, so it was too soon that we headed back for Quabba Blowholes for a couple of nights before we parted ways with Em and Jules, for now. Shout out to Em and Jules for getting us out to Red Bluff and being the best travel buddies.
Thank you for watching another week of our journey. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next one as we take a detour inland for a change in scenery and then continue our travels north.
We put one up out on the floor and then it didn't go for it.
Yeah.
So I've put it in the glove box.
Oh, no.
'Cause we have-
Mice have infiltrated the van.
Ours are down